Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make an easy and delicious whipped coffee recipe. If you guys like the sound of this video, make sure to stay tuned. Start by taking some instant coffee and putting about a tablespoon or two into your bowl. Then do the same with your sugar. And add a little bit of hot water. Then whisk it well until it becomes fluffy and light colored. If you want the coffee hot, heat up some milk. If you want the coffee cold, add some milk to the glass and add your coffee on top. Thank you all so much for watching. If you guys like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment for more videos like these. Also, make sure to turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time I make a new video. If you guys like this recipe, make sure to try it out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!